Dear learners, give attention towards the board. C1 and C2. C1 and C2 are the centers of curvature of spherical surfaces of lens. Similarly here C1 and C2, these are also the centers of curvature of spherical surfaces. Convex lens is also known as bioconvex lens or double convex lens. Convex lens is also known as bioconvex lens or double convex lens. Now, some important terms related to spherical lenses. First one is here aperture. अगर आपको याद होगा aperture we have studied in case of mirrors also. In case of mirror, the aperture was simply area which can reflect the light, ray of light. Similarly here, aperture, the area of lens available for refraction of light, area of lens available for refraction of light is called aperture. Second one is here principal axis. A straight line passing through the center of curvature of two surfaces of a lens, such as these are the centers. This one line is known as principal axis. A straight line passing through the centers of curvature of two spherical surfaces is known as principal axis. Now, third one is optical center. Optical center, you may define how? Optical center is a point. It is simply a point inside the lens through which a ray of light passes undeviated from the lens, such as here. This is optical center denoted by O in case of convex lens, and in case of concave lens this is the point which is known as optical center. जब भी कोई रे ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से पास होती है तो वो अनडेविएट रहती है, वो रिफ्रैक्ट नहीं होती है, वो बेंड नहीं होती है. यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. Is it clear? Okay. Now, sign convention. We have studied sign conventions in the mirror section also. Okay, here also you have to understand it, because sign conventions are very important. Then only you can solve the numericals related to lenses. This one is here. Principal axis, optical center, and you can show center of curvature. Suppose that you have kept object here. This is the incident ray. Clear? So you have to keep in mind the distance of object or image we have to start to measure from optical center. जैसे हम मिरर के केस में पोल से कोई भी डिस्टेंस आइदर लेफ्ट और राइट साइड मेजर करते थे, सिमिलरली इन केस ऑफ lenses we started to measure the distance from optical center. Okay, distance measured in the direction of incident ray of light is taken as positive, and distance is measured opposite to the direction of incident ray of light is taken as negative. Clear? This is the measurement of distances along principal axis and measurement of perpendicular to the principal axis. Distances measurement perpendicular to the principal axis. The upward distances from the principal axis taken as positive, and downward distances from the principal axis is measured or taken as negative. Clear? So you have to keep in mind about the sign conventions, then only you can solve the numericals clearly. Okay, one more thing you have to keep in mind. In case of convex lens, very important. See, or in case of lenses, we have two types or two times refraction. See, suppose that this one is incident ray. First of all, this is air and this one is glass. It will refract within the lens, because ray of light enters from air to denser medium, then again the light is coming in air from the denser medium. Two times refraction is here occurring, but we generally used to draw like this. Clear? This one is incident ray and this one is refracted ray. So you have to keep in mind. Okay?